I need to wash my hair, but on days where I wash my hair, I like to do my HIIT workouts, but it's the second day of my period and I don't want to do a HIIT workout. I can probably do one tomorrow, but then I'm not going to wash my hair today. Okay. Well, I'm glad I've got that settled now. I swear I'm going to have to start writing in my planner my wash days and revolving around it because it's too many factors. Well, good morning, guys, or good afternoon. It's like 11:40. I went out, got my coffee already, drank that. I dropped off 2 bags of clothes to donate that I've been dying to get out of my space. I'm still not done organizing, if you can believe it. My ADD brain will not allow me to sit and do something for more than like an hour at a time, and that's being extremely generous. I get sidetracked very easily, so I'm like working on 10 different things at once and nothing gets done. So really going to try to finish up this room. I'm sick of talking about it. I'm sick of looking at it the way it is. Now I'm just getting to the point where like everything's like getting not thrown out. That's wasteful, but everything's getting donated. I'm just, nope, out, get out. I don't want it in my house anymore. Since dropping off the 2 bags of clothes this morning, I've already filled up this basket with clothes that are leaving me as well. And I'm just ready to be ruthless at this point because I just need things to be organized. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I did in fact wash my hair. I didn't film it because I realized like late last night that I should probably wash it because I am going for a consult today to get my hair done. I just got back from the fertility doctor. We took some more blood and did an ultrasound, and today I start taking my estrogen for about a week. Then he said I go back. Then I think I start taking some other pills that I have. I can't remember. It's all in my portal, so I don't need to know this off the top of my head. And he said I think we're about like 19 days out right now. Just crazy. I don't know if I explicitly explain this, but if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I did post a video. I think it was back in like June or May. So I have been doing this process for a little while now. And even the older vlog footage from my last vlog that I uploaded is also a little bit older. So it's not like an exact timeline. So I did end up getting my transfer done in June, and I guess there was like a slight miscommunication at the office, which was totally fine. It wasn't a big deal, but they had thought I was doing a fresh transfer. But Vinny and I did decide we wanted to do the pre-genetic testing, which meant that we were going to be doing a frozen transfer. So now when they had told me that, they were like, okay, by the way, we're going through some maintenance in our lab, so it may not be until July or August that we are then able to do the transfer if you're not doing the fresh transfer. And obviously, you know, what are you going to do? So fast forward to July, and they had told me to call on the first day of my cycle. So I got my period, I called, and they're like, okay, no, we're gonna have to wait another month because the maintenance is still not done. So now August, what's today, the 20th? So I got my period August 16th. So 4 days later, went in for my blood work, ultrasound, preliminary, just to get like baseline numbers. And then from here, we're going to be monitoring my uterine lining and all that stuff. Oh, it's a lot of information. It's actually helpful for me to speak this too, because a lot of people ask, a lot of people like in my family, for instance, aren't like super familiar with the process. So even to relay things to Vinny, it's good that I have this here so I can look back on it. And also if any of you guys are curious like how all of this works. I'm not sure if this is something you guys would be interested in, but if you have any questions about this whole IVF process, I am very open. So leave me your questions if you have any, and maybe we can do a whole like sit down video, talking about any questions you guys may have or anything like that. So that is what I have done so far this morning, and it's only like 9 o'clock now. I am actually trying out a new salon today, which is why I'm going in for a consult. Find yourself a best friend who calls the hair salon for you and makes an appointment. I kind of knew I had to squeeze myself in somewhere because you really don't, everything is so touch and go with this IVF stuff, and I wanted to get my hair done before this all happens, obviously, so I couldn't get it in time with my regular girl, so my best friend called a different salon, and yeah, she got me a consult for today. So last night I washed my hair. I used the new Kerastase Curl Manifesto shampoo and deep conditioner, and then I did use their leave-in balm for anti-frizz and a little bit of the oil on the ends. Towel dried my hair for about like 30 minutes, and then I just used like the rope for my robe and did that little TikTok hair hack. The robe that I have is obviously terry cloth, so it's not like the best as far as like frizz goes, but it was a really easy way to like take my hair out in the morning and then just, I don't really have to do anything to it. I did though add a little bit of the R&Co Aircraft pomade mousse. So after I had wrapped my hair up and I took it out this morning, and I was like, oh, this is actually pretty cool. So I went to go order the actual one, you know, that's on TikTok or wherever, and it's like stupid expensive for literally like a piece of foam with satin wrapped around it and 2 scrunchies. So I found like one on Amazon for like $8, and it's a knockoff, but there are certain things that I cannot. There are just certain things I cannot bring myself to spend $40 on, and that's one of them. So I'll update you guys when that comes in. But what time is it? What time do I have to leave? It's only 9 o'clock now, so I do have a little while before I have to leave for my hair appointment. I'm not sure of the filming situation. I never like to put people in like an awkward position, especially when I am first meeting them. So we'll see about that, but I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
Yes, happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday. Good morning, guys. And I just finished up at the dentist. I did not get my teeth cleaned yet, unfortunately. I'm going back Saturday for that, but I had some bonding that needed to be fixed. So that was fixed there. And then I had a chipped tooth for like a while. I did this, I think, like when I got engaged in Grenada. And I was playing with the dog on the beach, and we both like went for the ball, and the dog like hit my chin and chipped my tooth. But I don't know why my other dentist never fixed it. I went to a new one today, and I really like them. Now I'm just running some errands. I have to drop off some prescriptions at the pharmacy, which I'm doing now. And then I have to pick up a Target order that I placed this morning. And then when I get home, I just have to do some like random cleaning and just laundry and, you know, get my life together. Why is it that I am so fast and I have anywhere to go? I never hold up any lines. And I feel like I always get stuck behind the slowest person. Hey guys, I'm finally back home. Hold on, let me turn off the weird dog trance music that I have playing for Maggie when I'm not here. I hope you can't hear the air. I'm too lazy to turn that off. I also ended up going to Trader Joe's because I'm really hungry and I just don't like have any groceries in my house, and it was time. Okay, I guess to start off with like the cold stuff that I got, just picked up some staples. I got some eggs, some butter. I also grabbed some smoked salmon. Probably throw that on a bagel and eat that now. I'm so hungry. I also picked up this French onion soup. I was really craving it. I was actually talking to my mom about this like yesterday, even though it's like 130 degrees outside. Also picked up the dill pickle hummus. It's like one of my favorite hummus. I don't know. I also picked up some vegan cream cheese and some of this, which I've never seen before. It's a cauliflower jalapeno dip. Vinny loves jalapeno, so I figured he also really likes cauliflower, and it has like cheese in it, so it sounds like something he will very much like. What else? Got a block of tofu. I'm also craving like a big salad, so I got some of this vegan Caesar dressing. Got a good old cheese log. I also love their vegan chicken tenders. I also want to make a pizza tomorrow, so I picked up some dough and then another cheese log for said pizza. What else? Oh, I also got some goat cheese because I love goat cheese, and then some sliced cheese. We eat a lot of cheese here. This is a cheese-friendly home. I also grabbed some bagels for my salmon, little pretzel thins for dipping in the hummus and other dips. Also a big thing of romaine. And I also picked up these chicken strips because these are really convenient, like for lunch when I just want to throw chicken on a salad if I don't have any like leftover or whatever. For salad stuff, I ended up getting shredded kale. And then the last few things, again, are just some more veggies. So I got some Persian cucumbers, some tomatoes, peppers, 2 avocados. I also needed more tahini, so I picked up some of that. And then I also ran out of pepper. So that is my full food haul. I am going to put this all away and then I am going to eat.
Hello, future editing me here, and I realized I did not wrap up my last video. So I just wanted to film a closing clip, say thank you for watching, and I will continue with the vlogs very soon. You will recognize this shirt actually from the beginning of my next video. So I will talk to you guys later.